Now we will see exercise 7.2 of chapter cube and cube roots. Let us see the question. Question number 1 is find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So we need to find out the cube root of this following numbers which are given to us. Now in previous chapter square and square root, we have seen how to find out the square root. Okay, what we did? We first took out the factors by prime factorization of the numbers, and then 2 pairing we made of the numbers. Now this is similar to that, only in place of 2 there should be 3 pairing. Okay, so यहाँ पे 3 numbers का group बनाना है. पहले आपको prime factorization method से you will first take out the factors of these numbers. After that you just have to group the numbers into group of 3. And out of that 3 you need to take one number and you need to multiply. So this way we will find cube root. Let us see the solution part, then it will be more clear. So let us see the solution of exercise 7.2. So now we will see the solution part of exercise 7.2. So first one is 64. First we will take out the factor by prime factorization method. So we will start with 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now 2 16s are will give you 32. Then in next step 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4 and then 2 1s are 2. So this way we will take out the factors. Now we are finding cube root of 64. Okay. So first of all we will write down all these factors, whatever we have got, we will write it here. So 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times 2. Okay. Now cube root we are finding. So this is the symbol of cube root. Okay. So both the sides we will put the symbol of cube root. So this is the symbol of cube root. Okay. Fine. Now we have to group the numbers into 3. So this is one pair. Okay. And this is second pair. So cube root of, now this is 2 3 times. So we can write it like this, 2 raised to 3. 2 3 times. Again here 2 3 times. Now what will happen? This 3, okay, it will get cancelled because it is inside the symbol of this cube root. So whenever we will take it outside of this cube root, जब ये cube root के बाहर आएगा तो ये 3 जो है वो cancel हो जाएगा with the root. Okay, cube root. So only 2 we will get. So only this 2 and this 2 will remain. So ये जो 3 का pair बना है उसमें से आपको एक ही 2 लेना है और यहाँ पे वापस जो second pair बना है 3 का group उसमें से आपको एक 2 लेना है. Now 2 2s is 4. So cube root of 64. Okay, cube root of 64 is 4. So this is our answer. So it means that if you multiply 4 3 times, the answer will be 64. So this was first one. Now we will see second one. Now second question is 512, 512. So again we will take out the factors by prime factorization method. So we will start with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 and 1, 11. So now we will take 2 5s are 10. Again 1 left, 1, 2, 12 means 2 6 are. Okay. So 256. Now next step again we will take with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now here 1 left. So 1 6 16 means 2 8s are. Now again next step 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4 and then 2 1s are 2. So these are the factors of 512. So now we will write it over here. So 512. Okay, the factors are 2 we have to write. How many times it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the factors. Now cube root we are finding, so we have to write it this way. Cube root of 512 and this side cube root of, now we have to make pair of 3 3. ओके 3 का पेयर बनाना है, तो दिस इज 2 3 टाइम्स, सो 2 3 टाइम्स. नाउ अगेन this 1 2 and 3, again this is 3 times, so 2 3 times. Now again this is 3 times, so 3 pair is possible, 1 2 and 3 pair. Now when we will take it out of this root, this cube will get cancelled with the root, so only 2 will be left out. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So cube root of 512 is 8. So 8 is our answer. Means if you multiply 8 3 times, the answer will be 512. Now we will see third one. Third one is 10648. So this is our question. Now again we will take out the factors by prime factorization. We will start with 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, now next step again we will take with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 1 left, again 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Now again with 2, so 2 1s are, 2 3s are, again 2 3s are and 2 1s are. Now 1 3 3 1, if you check last digit is odd number, so we cannot start with 2. Again if you check with 3, divisibility rule with 3, it is not possible with 3 also. Some of the digits you can take. Okay, 1 plus 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, so it is not coming in the table of 3, so with 3 also not possible. 4 also not possible because 4 is even number and last digit is odd number. So this way if you go on checking this 1331, this number is divisible directly by 11. Okay, 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 3 में भी नहीं आएगा, 4 में भी नहीं आएगा, 5 में तो आएगा ही नहीं, लास्ट डिजिट 0 और 5 होना चाहिए. Okay, divisibility rules say you can easily check if you know the divisibility rules. With the help of that rules you can easily check it. So with 5 also not possible, with 6 also not possible, 7 also if you divide and check on the side it is not divisible. With 8 and 9 also not divisible. With 10 obviously not divisible because for 10 last digit should be 0. So now directly if you divide and check it is directly divisible by 11. Okay, so 11 ones are 11. Now here 13 is there, so 2 left, so 2 3 23, so we have to take 11 2s are 22. Again 1 left, so 11 ones are 11, so 11 121s are will be this, so this we will get. Okay, you can divide and check. Now 121 is 11 square, we know that 11 11s are is 121, then 11 ones are is 11. So these are the factors. Now we will take out the cube root. So first we will write down the factor of 10648. I am doing it here on the side. Okay, the factors are 2 we have got. So now we will write all the factors. Okay, 10648. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 2, then 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, 2 3 times and 11 3 times. Now we are finding cube root. So cube root of 10648. So this side cube root of this 2 is 3 times. Okay, and then this 11 is 3 times. Now when you will take it outside of this root, only 2 we will write and here only 11 we will write because this cube is cancelled with this root. Okay, because the value of root is 1 upon 3. So जब ये रूट के बाहर आएगा तो ये क्यूब जो है वो रिमूव हो जाएगा. So 2 and 11 are left out. So 2 11s is 22. So cube root of 10648, cube root of 10648 is 22. So 22 if you multiply 3 times you will get 10648. So this was the third sum. Now let us see the fourth one. Now fourth one is 27,000. So we will take out the factors of this. So let us see fourth one. Okay, we will start with 2. So 2 1s are 2, then 2 3s are, okay, then 2 5s are, and this 2 0 as it is. So 1 3 5 0 0. Now again we will start with 2. So 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, then 1 left, 2 5s are 10, and this 0 as it is. Now again we will take with 2. So 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 1 5 15, so we will take 7s are 14. Okay, and then 10 left means 2 5s are. So 2 3 3 7 5s. Okay, 3 3 7 5s. Now last digit is 5. So now we have to take with 3. Okay, with 2 not possible. So आप 3 से start करेंगे. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 left, 1 5 15 means 3 5s are. Again we will take with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 10 11, 2 left. So 22 means 3 7s are, and then 3 5s are 15. Now again we will take with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 5s are 15. Now last digit is 5, and this number will not come in the table of 3. So we will start with 5. So 5 2s are 10. Now 2 and 5 25. So 5 5s are. Then 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors. Now we will write down and we will find out its cube root. Okay, so I'm writing this side. Cube root of 27,000 is equal to cube root of this 2. How many times it is? 1 2 3. So 2 is 3 times. Okay, this is in 3 pairing. Again this 3 is in 3 pairing. So 3 3 times. Then this 5 is in 3 pairing. So 5 3 times. Okay, so these are the factors. Now out of this 3 pairing we have to take 1 time 2. Again out of this 3 we have to take 1 time, and out of this 3 we have to take 1 time. So 2 into 3 into 5. Same way this side. This cube will get cancelled with this root. So 2, 3 and 5 left. 2 into 3 into 5. So if you multiply, 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. 30 is the answer. So cube root of 27,000 is equal to 30. So this is your final answer. So this was question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of first question of exercise 7.2. Now other sums you will try yourself, and if there is any doubt just let me know. I'll help you out.